If something goes wrong on your Windows 11 PC, it's very easy to reset to a restore point. But how do you create one? My name is Yadullah. You're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video, we're talking about how you can create a restore point in Windows 11. First thing or the first step of creating a restore point is to just open up the start menu and search for restore point. You will see this setting pop up, so we're going to go ahead and click on it, and this will open up our system properties dialog box. Now there are a few things that we are going to do, and as you can see, in order to create a restore point, we need to enable protection on particular drives. These drives could be anything, your hard drives, the partitions that you may have here. So we need to first configure them. Let's go ahead and click on the configure button and click on turn on system protection. This needs to be enabled. And then here you can adjust the maximum disk space used for system protection. So Windows will automatically manage this space. As it fills up, older points will be deleted to make room for new ones. So you can set this to whatever you want. You can just leave it at 0% if you don't want to determine this, but 10% is already 46 GB, so that should be fine. You can also click delete to just delete all restore points. Go ahead and click apply, then click OK, and now you will see that a system restore point button is available. So now we're going to go ahead and click on create. This will ask you to name your restore point. So let's say system stable December, and go ahead and click create. This will start working on creating a restore point, and that is pretty much it. As you can see, the restore point was created successfully and we are done. So now what you can do is anytime you need to go ahead and restore to a point, you can just click on system restore, follow through with this, select the type of restore point you want. You can even scan for affected programs. And do keep in mind that this will only sort of restore the drive that you want. So for example, only my C drive will be restored. The D drive is still isn't protected. So I can just click configure, enable system protection, and then I can, in the same process, select sort of the space that I want, click apply, click OK. Now I can come back and I can create a restore point that saves both of these drives. And that's it. That's how easily you can create system restore points on Windows 11. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology. Follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.